guys, how you going? We're here with another video in the how-to series on the Tesvor X500Pro. So what we're going to be doing today is basically covering off how to clean the sensors on the vac. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so with the Tesvor vac, there's quite a few sensors around the unit, in front of the unit, and also then underneath. So it's important every so often basically give them a clean. Now the unit, because it's so compact and versatile, it gets under cabinets, it gets under the beds, it gets under couches, under the chairs, under the tables. It does all these places which collect a lot of dust. So I find the unit itself collects quite a bit of the dust on top and around it. Good idea to probably just keep it clean. Okay, so let's show you how that's done. So first of all, this paper that came with the unit, I've kept it. Otherwise, just get yourself a towel, tea towel, pop it on top, turn it upside down. All right, let's have a closer look. Now the unit itself underneath has 3 sensors. 1, 2, 3. Now I've just got myself a soft cloth, okay? And what I do, just give them a bit of a wipe. Give that a bit of a wipe here and there, okay? And that's all you need to do. And then whilst the unit's upside down, it won't hurt to clean off some of this other dust. Okay. Now I'll give you a bit of a close-up. So you can see the sensors there, and there. All right, and then we do flip the unit over. We'll get rid of that. Now we've got this really big sensor across the front here. So with this one, just one nice clean wipe all the way around. And it's that simple. I just keep that action and that's it. All done. Too easy. All right, there you go. It's pretty simple and straightforward. And again, if you look after the vac, I'm sure it'll look after you because it's doing a lot of work for you around the house. So make it a bit of a habit when you do turn the unit over to probably clean the brushes. If you want to know how to clean the brushes, check out the videos, another video in the series. Doesn't hurt to basically create the habit and just wipe the sensors, and therefore you'll have no issues into the future. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video and you got something out of it. Any comments or questions, drop them down in the section below. If you know anyone that's interested in purchasing a vac, maybe share the videos with them. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.